Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch T3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, whether they're not connecting to your phone or they're not syncing or not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide you just want to get a new set of earbuds, these are a couple years old, these earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe all the pairing history off of them so you can set them up basically like they're a new set of earbuds coming out of the box. You can do this really quite easily. All we need to do is, first things first, you can go on your phone or devices and just have them forget these earbuds. So they're off of, they're not on the device anymore. Then we're just going to take them out, and they need to be on, and we're just going to, either one, doesn't matter, the right or the left, we're just going to press and hold the button on the back for 8 seconds while it's powered on and out of the case. So after we've counted to our 8 seconds or so, we can release it, then put the earbuds back in the case, and that will pair them back to each other. They're now factory reset. We can now take them out and set them up basically like they're a new set of earbuds.